Welcome to our channel. We are discussing the famous judgments of Supreme Court of Pakistan. Let's legal analysis the case of Federation of Pakistan versus Molvi Tameezudin Khan is a landmark judgment in the constitutional history of Pakistan, which had profound implications on the country's democratic structure and the role of the judiciary. Here's an analysis of the case. Background. In 1954, the Governor-General of Pakistan, Ghulam Muhammad, dissolved the Constituent Assembly, which was challenged by Molvi Tameezudin Khan, the President of the Assembly. The case reached the Federal Court of Pakistan after the Sindh High Court ruled the dissolution as ultra vires one. So judgment, the Federal Court, led by Chief Justice Muhammad Munir in 1955, ruled in favor of the Governor-General. The court held that the Governor-General, not the Constituent Assembly, was the sovereign authority. It based its decision on technical grounds, stating that the section of the Government of India Act of 1935 in question was not applicable because the Governor-General had not given his assent to it. 1. Dissenting opinion. Justice Alvin Robert Cornelius provided a dissenting opinion, arguing that Pakistan was indeed an independent country within the Commonwealth and should not be deprived of parliamentary supremacy. Significance. The verdict is considered a setback to the notion of parliamentary supremacy in Pakistan. It paved the way for future judiciary support of unconstitutional and undemocratic actions such as military coups under the doctrine of necessity. This doctrine was later used by Pakistani and Bangladeshi courts to validate the actions of martial law authorities. Impact. The case is often cited as having weakened the integrity of the judiciary in the eyes of Pakistani citizens and setting a precedent for the 4 martial laws in Pakistan. It is viewed as having caused immeasurable damage to the constitutional development of the country and rocked its constitutional ship at the very start. Now, this case serves as a critical example of how judicial decisions can have far-reaching effects on the political and constitutional landscape of a nation. It also highlights the tension between judicial independence and the judiciary's role in supporting or undermining democratic principles